Hello everyone and welcome to my food blog. Today we are making delicious recipe with the remaining rice. So let's begin the video. Take a pan and add some mustard oil in it. You can take any vegetable oil. Add cumin seeds in the oil when it's hot. Now let's add chopped onions. If you want, you can skip both the steps of adding cumin seeds and onions and you can add asafoetida instead. However, I like onions, so I am adding it into the recipe. Change the color. Add ginger garlic paste. If you want, you can add chopped ginger garlic and fry them up. Now it's time to add vegetables of your choice. Since I have these vegetables available, that is potato, capsicum and cauliflower at my end, so I'm adding these. However, you can add any vegetables of your choice, whatever you like, and you have to fry them up. Fry the vegetables until it becomes crispy and soft. 1 tablespoon turmeric powder, salt as per taste, 1 tablespoon red chili powder. I have used Kashmiri lal mirch, and 1 tablespoon black pepper. You can take half tablespoon and mix all the spices. If you have Maggi masala at your end, you can mix Maggi masala too. It enhances the taste, but it is optional. Tomatoes are optional too. I like tomatoes, so that is why I'm adding tomatoes, but most of the people, they don't add tomatoes. So you can add tomatoes or you can skip this step. I'm adding mushrooms. If you have, you can add mushrooms. The reason why I'm adding mushrooms in the last, because it cooks really fast. I'm adding tomato ketchup. This is as per taste. As much as you want, you can add it. I'm adding 2 tablespoons, and then I'll add Szechuan sauce and 1 tablespoon soy sauce. Mix all the sauces well with the veggies. Now it's time to add rice into the mixture. Now you have to mix the rice with the veggies along with the sauces. So this is an ultimate recipe for the spice lovers, and I'm a big spice lover. It contains all the veggies that I like, and you can always replace all the veggies and make it as per your requirement, as per your taste. You can also adjust the spice level according to your taste, but the process of cooking it remains the same. So this is the last step of cooking it, and here, after mixing the rice with the veggies, you have to turn off the gas and the rice is ready to be served. So this is the last step, guys. I hope you like the video, and I hope you try it also. Fried rice is ready, so you can garnish it with coriander leaves and mint leaves. Thanks for watching my video, and subscribe our channel for more vegetarian recipes.